Hi, it's Hollie and Sophie. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. What's the matter, Hollie? I want to be a princess. What should I do? Let me tell you a little secret. I'm a fairy godmother, and I think I know how to pull this off by turning her little rags into a beautiful dress. I don't want to do this when in these type of clothes. I forgot how this feels in this dress. Oh, I forgot about you. Now, what was that spell again? Oh, yes, I know it. Oh, little girl, don't you frown. Turn this old ratty dress into a beautiful gown. Wow, you look so beautiful. Now, how can we put some makeup and do her hair? I got an idea. Maybe I can use my magic to get a vanity for her. Wow. Come on, I can do your hair and makeup. Now sit down. Maybe I can blow dry it a bit and brush it. Wow, very nice and soft hair you have. Now, just for the hair, the final and best part, the tiara. Wow, you look amazing. Now for the makeup and jewelry. Lipstick, of course. Look at me. Whoa. That red lipstick really suits you all. And some nail polish. Pink, blue or yellow?
Pink and yellow and blue.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what are we missing? I know. The jewelry. Put it over here. Oh, it doesn't fit. You have to put it on your wrist. That's how it fits. Wow, you look amazing. Wow. Now a bit for the necklace. Look how beautiful. You look amazing. And last but not least, the bracelet. Wow, you're ready to go. You look so beautiful. Can you give me a nice twirl? Come on. Twirl for me. Whee! Wow. Hope you have a wonderful day, Hollie, in this beautiful dress. Hope you will. Bye.